Alright, so here it is, Z1 Shunzao wireless portable handheld vacuum cleaner. So this is the Z1 version. There is another one, Z1 Pro, but this is not. So the Shunzao is from Xiaomi branded. I think this is a sub-brand. So let's see. Now this in front here is where the vacuum cleaner is. Of course this is just the cover. Just pull it out and then you got it. And then over here is where the vacuum is. So if you're going to suck, just press this button here and it will start. Press again, you turn off. This here is a light feature, so you can see it's right here. Just imagine if you're going to do it in the car, dark spaces underneath the car seat. So this is very good for looking below if there's any spider. Now over here you see is the USB-C. The left and right are the ventilations for the motor, so that it doesn't overheat. And then underneath here is a panda logo or a bear logo. So yeah, who knows. Anyway, let's see here. This is DC 108 volt 90 watt, right? This uses a USB-C charger, so you just charge here. And then the top here is where the vacuum is. To open it, just open this. Later on I will show you after I vacuum. So let's see what it has on the add-ons. This is the add-on, is the brush here, or you can change it into this type of suction cup. So yeah, you have both types, just slot in. Very simple. That's it. So that's done. So if you want the one with the brush end, then this is it. So you just take it out. If you don't want, then just put it on again. That's it. So done. So this is the two add-ons they have. Alright, so here is another type. This is very good for car vacuum. If you're going to do a vacuum in your car, or you're lazy to bring out a wired vacuum, then you can use this. So let's just try a demo on it. Let's put all of this to the test with a small little paper around here. Now let's turn it on. Don't worry, the motor is not here, so you can just press. Press out the hole here. That's it. Done. So the noise level is quite loud, but not so loud as it becomes very annoying. You only can hear is like a wind blowing, a loud wind blowing sound, and not so much on the very noisy motor. The motor level, sound level is only like a little bit loud, but not as loud as a vacuum cleaner that is even more louder. So of course this vacuum suction is not so strong as a normal wired one, but it does its job. It sucks in most of the thing. So if you're going to do a daily one, like those small little paper around everywhere, then you can use this. So here's how you open it. Just over here, see the hole here, just press, slide it here, then let it go. Then you can see here is the motor, where the wind, the fan all are here. So you don't have to worry if you put in your hand inside here. Here only you will see is the HEPA filter. So this is the HEPA filter around here. You can actually take out and wash just this area, not the HEPA filter. So let's show you. Now here you just have to slide it. So here will be all the dirt and whatnot. Alright. So here is the HEPA filter. This is the HEPA filter. You can't wash this. I don't think you can. I think you have to slide it out, or you have to buy a whole set of HEPA filter for this part. But this is washable since this is all just plastic. Right, this is just the cover for it. So just close it. Right, just see here, just follow this dot here and another dot here, and this dot here, another dot here. So like that. Yep. So just slide it in, just slide, and then you should get a click sound. You're done. Right, so once you want to put it back, just follow just follow this symbol here and put it in. It's just the same as kids toy, you know, to follow the holes. So just follow the hole. See this, just put it in and then just slide it in. See, it's a child's play. Alright, so again, if you wanted to get those small little things, this is normally what it's used for. All of this, or dust or whatever, small little particles, then just do this. Done. See, it's gone. So yeah, that is all. Thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out. Click subscribe if you haven't. Click like. Go to the end of my video and click the playlist. In the playlist there are all my videos all at the corner at the right side. So thank you all for watching.